बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है चैप्टर नंबर 4 सिस्टम ट्रबल शूटिंग का लेक्चर नंबर 3। इसके अंदर हम डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स को कवर करेंगे। तो इसको स्टार्ट करने से पहले नए आने वाले स्टूडेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें ताकि नए आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो आज का हमारा जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है वो है सिक्योरिटी एंड मेंटेनेंस। Understanding and applying the regular maintenance and security measures are essential for the proper and continued performance of the system. Using the following security maintenance and the troubleshooting technique, you can effectively maintain and enhance the performance and security of your computing systems. Next हमारे पास है मेंटेनेंस सॉफ्टवेयर क्या है। Keeping software up to date and resolving a conflict is essential for the security and performance, यानी कि सॉफ्टवेयर को गुजरते हुए वक्त के साथ साथ अपडेट रखना चाहिए ताकि किसी किस्म का कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट ना हो। इंस्टॉलिंग अपडेट सॉफ्टवेयर पैचेस, रेगुलर इंस्टॉलिंग अपडेट एंड पैचेस इंश्योर दैट योर सॉफ्टवेयर इज प्रोटेक्टेड अगेंस्ट द vulnerability and performance optimization. Updating your operating system and application can protect your computer from security threats and fix bugs that causes crashes. Resolving software conflict, identifying and conflict software, reinstall or update the affected applications and check for compatibility issues. Example, if two applications are causing system instability, removing one or update both to latest version can resolve the conflict. तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारे पास एड्रेसिंग सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट्स कि सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट्स को किस तरह अपने एड्रेस कैसे करना है। Threats protecting your computer from security threats are important for maintaining data integrity and privacy. Identifying and removing the malware infection, use antivirus software to scan for and remove malware. Regularly update the antivirus definitions and perform full systems. Next है हमारे पास इसकी एग्जांपल जो है running a full system scan with updated antivirus software can help detect and remove the malware that slow down your computer or steal your data. Applying operating system update for security. Installing operating system update is essential for protecting your computer from newly discovered security vulnerability. Example, regularly update your operating system can prevent hackers from exploiting security flow of gain access to creating and managing strongs. इनके password, use a combination of upper and lower case letter numbers and special character to create a strong password. Change password regularly and use a password manager to keep track of them. Example, create a strong password for your online accounts can protect you from unauthorized access and identity. Next है हमारे पास data management and backups. Effective data management and regular backup help free up resources, improve efficiency, and ensure data security. Here how these practices can be beneficial. Data management involves storing and organizing data so it is easy to find and use. It ensures data is available, accurate, and ready when जब needed. Regular backup involving making copy of data to ensure it can be recovered if the loss, damage are during a disaster. These strategies are necessary for keeping data safe and ensuring it can always be stored. मैनेजिंग स्टोरेज स्पेस कि स्टोरेज स्पेस को किस तरह आपने मैनेज करना है। तो प्रॉपर स्टोरेज स्पेस मैनेजमेंट इज एसेंशियल फॉर कीपिंग योर कंप्यूटर रनिंग स्मूथली एंड एफिशिएंटली। हियर हाउ टू डू इट कि किस तरह आप ये परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। डिलीटिंग अननेसेसरी फाइल्स, रेगुलर रिव्यू एंड डिलीट ओल्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स, डाउनलोड फाइल्स एंड टेम्परेरी फाइल you no longer need. Example, if your computer is running out of space, cleaning your download folder can free up significant. moving for files to free up disk space, transfer large file यानी video photos to an external drive or a cloud storage to free up internal storage. Moving vacation photos to an external hard drive can improve your computer performance by freeing up gigabyte of. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारे पास डाटा बैकअप मेथड्स। तो बैकअप backing up data prevent loss due to hardware failure or other issues. Common method includes using external storage device backup important files to external hard drive or a USB flash drive for a secure physical copy. Example, copying document and photos to external drive ensure recovery if your computer hard drive fail. यानी कि आप अपने डाटा को किसी भी बैकअप यानी फ्लैश ड्राइव में हार्ड ड्राइव में सेव करके रख सकते हैं। कल को अगर कोई सिस्टम के अंदर फेलियर आता है या ये आता है तो आपका डाटा क्या रहता है। Utilization cloud solution store backup on cloud services like Google Drive for remote access and added file from anywhere with an internet connection. Example, saving your school project to Google Drive means you can access them from any computer even if your original personal device is unavailable or damaged. Using the resources for troubleshooting. When you encounter issues, so there are many available to help you troubleshoot effectively. Built-in help features. Most operating system and software applications include built-in help features or guides that provide solutions to common problem. यानी कि उनके अंदर पहले से ये चीजें क्या होती हैं, बिल्ड अप होती हैं जो हमें जरूरत पड़ने पर solution provide करती हैं. If your printer is not working, you can use a built-in troubleshooting guide at your computer setting to find and fix the issues. Internet resources. Use online resources such as forum tutorials or facts to find solutions to more complex problems. Websites like Stack Exchange, Reddit, and YouTube are available for troubleshooting helps. Example, if you are experiencing a software error, searching the error message on Google can lead you to form where others have shared solutions. Assisting others. Helping others with their computer problem can reinforce your troubleshooting skills and build a collaborating learning environments. Communication and collaborations. Importance of effective communication in troubleshooting. Clearly explain the issues and your troubleshooting step when assisting others. Listen to their descriptions and ask questions to gather more information. Example, when the helping a friend with a software problem, ask them to describe the error message and the action they took before the issue. Collaboration with peers and staff to solve. Working together with classmates, teachers, or IT staff to troubleshoot issues. Sharing knowledge and experience can lead to faster and more effective solutions. Collaborating with our peers who has more experience with the particular software can help you both learn new troubleshoot techniques. तो लास्ट टॉपिक है हमारा शेयरिंग ट्रबल शूटिंग नॉलेज. So transferring troubleshooting skills to assist others, share your troubleshooting experience and solution with others, create guide or a tutorial to help your peers understand how to fix common issues. After resolving a tricky software installation problem, you could write a step-by-step guide and share it with your classmates, making it easier for them to handle similar issues in the future. तो ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक, यहाँ पर कंप्लीट होता है. सो लास्ट में मैं फिर नए आने वाले स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें ताकि नए आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके. तो हमारा टारगेट है 1000 सब्सक्राइबर का. तो आप चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हमारे सब्सक्राइब कंप्लीट हो सकें. सो नेक्स्ट न्यू वीडियो के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.